Hey gamers, you've been buzzing about Rematch, the new 5v5 soccer game for Sifu's devs, Slowclap. But the big question is, does Rematch have early access? Let's break it down fast. Rematch is set to launch June 19th, 2025 on PC, PS5, and Xbox Series X and S. But if you're itching to hit that pitch early, here's the deal. Pre-order the Pro or Elite editions and you'll get 72 hours of early access starting June 16th. That's 3 days to dominate before the standard edition crowd jumps in. The catch? You'll need to shell out for the Pro Edition at $39.99 or the Elite at $49.99, compared to the standard's $30. Both come with cool bonuses like the Adopter Hat and Captain Pass upgrades, but it's a premium price for early kicks. Want to play even sooner? Well, Rematch is running beta tests. There's an open beta from April 18th to 19th, and you can sign up on their official site. But heads up, closed betas are invite only, so you'll need luck to snag a key. Now, let's think critically. Early access and betas are great, but Rematch isn't free to play like Rocket League. Some fans on X are worried the upfront costs would shrink the player base, especially with minimal marketing so far. Will Slowclap's arcade soccer vibe compete in a crowded market? Only time will tell. So yes, Rematch does have early access with pre-orders and beta tests. Just sign up for the beta at playrematch.com and let us know in the comments if you're hyped or hesitant. Smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the pitch.